I see you join. Hola, how you doing? How you doing? That's 4, oh shit, 5. Alright, so once we get to 20, I'll just say what I need to say. Bro. Alright, 8. You know, I'm just gonna start explaining it. So basically, the fuck? Anyways, I'm not numeral. I am not numeral 0. My profile name is Xxxtentacion. The person who runs this account is a very special person. All right. I just do this because I have to let you guys know. Numeral 0 was doing a voice impersonation. We have caught him. We caught him slipping basically. So like.